Welcome to the Bluebeam Revu tutorial by Brighter Graphics. This video tutorial will show how to modify a line style in Revu 21. Let's see how you can do so. After opening Revu 21 on your desktop, create a blank PDF from the File menu. Now, create a random line markup anywhere on your blank PDF to access line style properties. Next, go to the Properties panel. Click the Style drop-down to access line style properties. As you can see, we have already created a line style within the custom line set. Watch our previous videos to learn how you can do so. Now, click the Manage option below to modify your line style. In the Line Set dialog box, select your custom line set with the line you want to modify. Then hit the Modify button. Now, in the Line Style dialog box, select the saved line and click Modify. Now, here's the Line Style Editor where you can make changes to your existing line style. To learn how to use Line Editor, watch our video tutorial on how to create a line style. Once done, click OK to save the changes in all preceding sections. Lastly, save changes to the custom line set. Now go back to the Line Style properties and select the same line style again. And your line will be modified with the new style you just saved. This is how you can modify your line styles anytime in Revu 21. You can go back to the same line set and click Modify to make changes to your line set instead of a line style. For instance, you can add new line styles within the existing line set or delete the previous ones. This is it for now. If you want to know how to create a new line set or add a unique line style to the existing one, don't forget to watch previous videos of this series. For more Bluebeam tips and tricks, stay connected with Brighter Graphics, the largest Bluebeam partner in Europe, digitizing construction since 2003.